Module 3, How to Prioritize Your Tasks. In the last couple of segments, we've outlined the daily progress report. And last segment, we talked about the to-do list and the importance of creating a to-do list. The next step is learning how to prioritize those, because every day is a clean slate. Regardless of what you were able to accomplish yesterday, a key thought of the 7-Minute Life is today's a new day. So as you take your 7 minutes, you're going to physically set a timer for 7 minutes, and you're going to choose to think about what you need to do. During that 7 minutes, you're going to create your written plan of action using the daily progress report. And that's where a lot of people stop, as they begin to write down the things that they could do, but they're actually a couple of extra steps, and you'll see them here. So you've created your to-do list, but this next segment happens right here, where you prioritize your tasks in order of importance. What's the first thing you'll do, the second, the third? Then you're going to estimate how long each task will take to complete. From there, you're going to choose your 5 highest value tasks, and you're going to move them to your 5 before 11 list. And then the final piece is that you're going to take those 5 before 11 and make a commitment to take the action to complete the tasks. Prioritizing your tasks, setting 7 minutes to think and clarify, writing down the task using your daily progress report, prioritizing each task in order of importance, estimating how long each task will take to complete, choosing your 5 highest value tasks, transferring them to the 5 before 11, and making a commitment to accomplish them one at a time.